Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Nokia T21. So to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for the settings. Then click on the power key right here and volume down key right here. Hold these two buttons for a few seconds. So it's not volume down, but volume up right here, and go for capture more and next to your screenshot. Here you can customize the amount of a full page screenshot. So as you can see, now we have entire page on this specific screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.